So today's class is the continuation of the topic ratio and proportion. Now problem number 17. If a comma b comma c are in continued proportional, then prove that a by c equal to 2a square minus 5ab plus 7b square by 2b square minus 5bc plus 7c square. How to show it? Now in your question it is given that a, b, c are in continued proportion, then a by b equal to b by c equals to k, bracket c. Okay, so we consider a by b equal to b by c equal to k. Got it? So a by b equal to k, this means a equal to bk, and b by c equal to k, this means b equal to ck. Here a equal to bk and now b equal to ck. Put the value of b here, instead of this b put ck. So a should be ck into k. So that should be a equal to ck square. So now left hand, we have to prove it. Okay, so left hand side should be a by c. That means what's the value of a? Ck square. Put it ck square by c. That means k square. Now right hand side 2a square minus 5ab plus 7b square by 2b square minus 5bc plus 7c square. Now put the value of a here, ck square. So this means ck square whole square minus 5 into ab. What's the value of a? Ck square into b, that means ck, plus 7 into ck whole square, and that means 2b square. What's the value of b? Ck. So 2 into ck whole square minus 5 into bc, ck into c plus 7c square. So now this should be 2 into c square k to the power 4 minus 5 into c square k cube plus 7c square k square by 2c square k square minus 5c square k plus 7c square. From the numerator, the common term is k square c square. So this means 2k square minus 5k plus 7, and from the denominator there is a c square common, so this should be 2k square minus 5k plus 7. So this one cancel out, c square cancel, this should be k square. So now look at that, value of left hand side is k square and value of right hand side, so that should be k square. So left hand side equal to right hand side, and so left hand side equal to right hand side, and hence proved. Got it? So now problem number 18. If b is the mean proportional between a and c, then show that a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4 by b to the power 4 plus b square c square plus c to the power 4 is equal to a square by c square. How to prove it? So now in your question, given that b is the mean proportional between a and c, given b is the mean proportional between a and c, this means a, b, c are in continued proportional. Got it? So since b is the mean proportional between a and c, this means that a, b, c are in continued proportion. And since a, b, c are in continued proportion, then a by b equal to b by c equal to k c. Similar, it is similar from the previous problem. Okay, so now a equal to bk and b equal to ck. Now put the value of b here, that is ck. So ck into c, that is a equal to ck square. Now put the value of a and b here. So this should be c square, sorry, and this should be ck square whole to the power 4 plus ck square whole square into ck whole square plus ck whole to the power 4 by ck whole to the power 4 plus ck whole square into c square plus c to the power 4. So now this should be c to the power 4 k to the power 8 plus c to the power 4 k to the power 6 plus c to the power 4 k to the power 4 by c to the power 4 k to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 k square plus c to the power 4. So now what is the common portion of numerator? That is c square k to the power 4 common, and that would be k to the power 4 plus k square plus 1, and denominator c to the power 4 common, that should be k to the power 4 plus k square plus 1. This one cancel out, c to the power 4 to the power cancel out, so this should be k to the power 4. Now right hand side, a square by c square. So what is the value of a square? C k square whole square by c square, and this should be c square k to the power 4 by c square. C square cancel out, so k to the power 4. So left hand side equal to right hand side, and hence proved. Next problem, if B is the mean proportional between A and C, then prove that A square minus B square plus C square by A to the power minus 2 minus B to the power minus 2 plus C to the power minus 2 equal to B to the power 4. How to prove it? So given B is the mean proportional between A and C, then A, B, C are in continued proportion, then A by B equal to B by C equal to K say, then A equal to CK square and B equal to C. Now A square minus B square plus C square by A to the power minus 2 minus B to the power minus 2 plus C to the power minus 2. Now put the value of A and B here. So CK square whole square minus CK whole square plus C square by CK square whole to the power minus 2 minus CK whole to the power minus 2 plus C to the power minus 2. So now from the numerator there is a C square common, and this should be K to the power 4 minus K square plus 1, and from the denominator C to the power minus 2 common. So this should be K to the power minus 4 minus K to the power minus 2 plus 1. So now this one means 1 by C square, and this should be 1 by K to the power 4 minus 1 by K to the power K square plus 1. So now after simplification we got K to the power minus 4 minus K square plus 1 by K to the power 4. This one cancel out, and this is our numerator. So this should be C to the power 4 into K to the power 4. I think this should be CK whole to the power 4. And now what is the value of CK? B. So B to the power 4. And this should be your right hand side. The proof is complete. So now problem number 20. So if x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c, then show that x cube by a cube plus y cube by b cube plus z cube by c cube, that is equal to 3xyz by a b c. How to show it? So now it is given that x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c equal to k say, okay. Then x by a equal to k, so x equal to ak. Y by b equal to k, so y equal to bk. Z by c equal to k, so z equal to ck. So now x cube by a cube plus y cube by b cube plus z cube by c cube. So now what is the value of x? Ak. So ak whole cube by a cube plus bk whole cube by b cube plus ck whole cube by c cube. Got it? So a cube into k cube by a cube plus b cube into k cube by b cube plus c cube into k cube by c cube. A cube cancel out, b cube cancel out, c cube cancel out. So this should be 3k cube. So now 3xyz by abc. Now what is the value of x? Ak, y, bk, z, ck. By abc, abc cancel out. So this should be k, and that means k cube. So 3k cube. So left hand side equal to right hand side, and hence proved. Now problem number 21. If x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c, then prove that a square x square plus b square y square plus c square z square by a cube x plus b cube y plus c cube z whole to the power 3 by 2 equal to root under xyz by abc. How to show it? Given x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c equal to k say, then x equal to ak, y equal to bk, z equal to ck. Left hand side, a square is x square plus b square y square plus c square z square by a cube x plus b cube y plus c cube z whole to the power 3 by 2. And that is, what is the value of x? Ak whole square, y bk whole square, z ck whole square. And this should be a cube into ak, since x equal to ak, y equal to bk, z equal to ck. Put it. So now from the numerator, this should be a square into a square, means a to the power 4, and that should be k square, and this should be k square b to the power 4, since b to the power b square and bk whole square means b square also. So b square b to the power 4 k square plus c, k square c to the power 4 by a cube into a, how much? A to the power 4, and that is k. So this should be k b to the power 4 plus k c to the power 4. So now from the numerator k square is common, and this should be a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4. From the denominator k is common, so this should be a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4. These two cancel out. These two cancel out. So k square by k, how much? K whole to the power 3 by 2. And now the right hand side, root under xyz by abc. So this should be ak into bk into ck by abc. abc all are cancelled out. So root under k cube, that means k to the power 3 by 2. So left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. So now problem number 22, if x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c, then prove that x minus by by a plus b into x minus y plus by minus cz by b plus c into y minus z plus az minus ax, sorry, cz minus ax by c plus a into z minus x, that is equal to 3. How to prove? Let's given x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c equal to k, so x equal to ak, y equal to bk, z equal to ck. Now put the value of x, y, z here. So now x equal to ak, put it, y equal to bk, put it. So after simplification we got 3. See the calculation. It is a very simple calculation. See this calculation, and that should be 3. If a, b, c, d are in proportion, then prove that a plus b by c plus d equal root under s 2a square plus 7b square by 2c square plus 7d square. And number 2, root under a to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 by b to the power 4 plus d to the power 4, that is equal to ma square plus nc square by mb square plus nd square. So how to solve it? Given a, b, c, d are in proportional, then what happen? A by b equal to c by d equal to k, say, then a equal to bk and c equal to dk, obviously. So a plus b by c plus d, that is what is the value of a? Bk plus b, and c dk plus d. So from numerator b is common, denominator d is common. So k plus 1 cancel out, so b by d. So now right hand side, root under 2a square plus 7b square by 2c square plus 7d square. Put the value of a and c here. So bk whole square, dk whole square. After simplification we got b by d. Okay, so left hand side equal to right hand side. Similarly, put the value of a and c here. Only a and c here. So a to a bk, a means bk, so bk whole to the power 4, and c means dk, so dk whole to the power 4. And after simplification we got, obviously we got k square. So now right hand side, similarly we can find right hand side equal to k square. Okay, and hence the proof is complete. Now the exercise, see this exercise is a very important exercise which is related to ratio and proportion. Number 1 problem, if y is the mean proportional between x and y, prove that xyz into x plus y plus z whole cube, that is equal to xy plus yz plus zx whole to the power 3. Number 2, if a plus c equal to mb and 1 by b plus 1 by d equal to m by c, then prove that a, b, c, d are in proportional. Got it? Number 3, if x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c, then prove that number 1, x cube by a cube plus y cube by b cube plus z cube by c cube equal to x plus y plus z whole cube by a plus b plus c whole cube. Number 2, a square x square plus b square y square plus c square z square by a cube x plus b cube y plus c cube z whole to the power 3, that is equal to x y z by a b c. Number 4, if a by b equal to c by d equal to e by f, then prove that b square plus d square plus f square into a square c square plus e square, that is equals to ab plus cd plus ef whole square. Number 2, a cube plus c cube whole square by b cube plus d cube whole square, that is equal to e to the power 6 by f to the power 6. Number 3, a square by b square plus c square by d square plus e square by f square equal to ac by bd plus ce by df plus ae by bf. Number 4, bdf into a plus b by b plus c plus d by d plus e plus f by f whole to the power 3, that is equal to 27 a plus b into c plus d into e plus f. Number 5, if ax equal to by equal to cz, then prove that x square by yz plus y square by zx plus z square by xy equal to bc by a square plus ca by b square plus ab by c square. Number 6, if x by a equal to y by b, then show that x square by x plus a plus y square by plus b square by y plus b, that is equal to x plus y whole square plus a plus b whole square by x plus y plus a plus b. Number 7, if x by b minus c equal to y by c minus a equal to z by a minus b, then prove that ax plus by plus cz equal to 0. Number 8, if xyz are in continued proportional, then prove that x plus y whole square by y plus z whole square equal to x by z. Number 9, if ABC are in continued proportion, then prove that p square plus qab plus rb square by pb square plus qbc plus rc square equal to a by c. And number 10, if ABC are in continued proportional, then prove that a plus b by b plus c equal to a square into b minus c, b square into a minus b. Number 2, 1 by a cube plus 1 by b cube by plus 1 by c cube equal to a square by a by b square c square plus b by c square a square plus c by a square b square. Number 2, a is to c equal to a square plus b square is to b square plus c square. Number 4, a square b square c square into a to the power minus 4 plus b to the power minus 4 plus c to the power minus 4, that is equal to b to the power minus 2 into a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4. And number 5, abc into a plus b plus c whole cube equal to ab plus bc plus ca whole cube. Number 6, a plus b plus c into a minus b plus c equal to a square plus b square plus c square. So it is your homework. Okay, so you should do these problems 10 problems. It is your homework. Okay, thank you so much.